Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss everything related to home theaters and the latest technology available in the market. Today, we'll be talking about why choosing the right projector for your home theater is essential, and we've also picked out the top 3 best projectors for home theater in 2023 based on research information. The home theater projector is the centerpiece of your entertainment system, and a poor quality projector can ruin the entire experience. It's imperative to choose the right projector that suits your needs, room size, and budget. The right projector should have excellent image quality, brightness, color accuracy, and sound quality. It should also be easy to set up, and have the necessary connectivity options that cater to your needs. We understand that choosing the right projector can be confusing, which is why we have done the research for you and picked out the top 3 best projectors for home theater in 2023. These projectors are the perfect blend of performance, quality, and affordability. Number 3. AAXA P8 Smart Mini Projector. This ultra-portable projector boasts 430 LED lumens and vibrant color technology, making it a versatile media machine for business travel and home use. With built-in Android 10.0, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, this projector offers a wide range of connectivity options. Stream your favorite movies and shows on built-in apps such as Netflix and YouTube, or cast your phone to the big screen with the mirroring function. Keep in mind that some copyrighted content may not be able to be mirrored or may have no audio. The AAXA Technologies P8 Smart LED DLP Mini Projector also has a wide range of connectivity options, allowing you to connect your favorite devices via HDMI, USB-C input, or even directly play files with a USB flash drive or microSD card. And if you want to connect external speakers, you can do so via 3.5mm or Bluetooth. What sets this mini projector apart from others is its long-lasting LED light source. With 30,000 hours of eco-friendly and mercury-free LEDs, you won't need to replace the light source, unlike other standard projectors. Take this portable entertainment system anywhere and project up to 200-inch images. With the built-in Android 10.0 OS, you can wirelessly mirror your phone to the P8 and share videos, pictures, and more. Just keep in mind that the USB port is for flash drive media playback and cannot be used to transmit video signal from smartphones or connect to smartphones. Mirroring requires a connection to Wi-Fi. Number 2. BenQ HT2050A. The BenQ HT2050A boasts a brightness of 2200 lumens and has a high native contrast ratio, making it perfect for a vivid and clear picture. With 96% Rec. 709 color accuracy calibration, you'll get accurate colors that are true to life. You'll never have to worry about washed-out colors or a lack of detail. The BenQ HT2050A is a dream come true for gamers. With a low input lag of 16 milliseconds, you'll enjoy an ultra-smooth gaming experience that's free from any lag or delay. And, with unique game modes, you'll get the best picture quality possible for your games. With the BenQ HT2050A, you can take your entertainment to the next level by projecting a 100-inch screen from just 8 feet away. And, if you want to go even bigger, the projector supports up to 300 inches, making it perfect for large rooms or outdoor screenings. The BenQ HT2050A is incredibly versatile and supports most media players, gaming consoles, PCs, Macs, and mobile devices with input options such as HDMI, USB, and more. So, you can easily connect your favorite devices and enjoy your content on a big screen. DLP is the leading technology used in 90% of the world's cinemas and 100% of digital IMAX theaters. With DLP technology, you'll enjoy a longer-lasting, slimmer design, sharper, and crisper image. The BenQ HT2050A is no exception and delivers a high-quality picture that will blow you away. Number 1. Epson Home Cinema 5050UB. This projector is designed to bring you the ultimate 4K home theater experience, with its advanced processing technology, outstanding brightness, and full 10-bit HDR color processing. Epson's Home Cinema 5050 is equipped with the latest 4K Pro UHD technology, which enhances resolution, color, and image processing. The result is a stunning 4K visual experience, with razor-sharp detail and lifelike color reproduction. This projector utilizes advanced 3 LCD technology that displays 100% of the RGB color signal for every frame. This eliminates color brightness and rainbowing issues that can sometimes be seen with other projector technologies. You can enjoy vivid and accurate color that remains bright and vivid, even in bright rooms. Epson's Pixel Shift processor controls 3 high-definition LCD chips to parallel process millions of pixels of information. This results in a sharp and crystal-clear 4K visual experience, with lifelike detail and exceptional clarity. The Home Cinema 5050 is equipped with a full 10-bit HDR processor that accepts 100% of the HDR source information. This means that you can enjoy HDR content exactly as it was intended to be shown, with exceptional visual performance and lifelike detail. This projector is capable of displaying 4K content at an incredible 2600 lumens for both color and white brightness. This provides a wider performance envelope and allows for an exceptional HDR performance, even in bright rooms. Epson's proprietary ultra-black technology controls the polarization of light itself, suppressing any stray light within the signal. This results in an outstanding dynamic contrast ratio of 1:0:0:0:0:0 to 1, providing deeper blacks and more vivid colors. The Home Cinema 5050 allows you to fine-tune the HDR performance in real time, with 16 steps of control. This means that you can get the perfect HDR experience, no matter what content you're watching. This projector is one of the first commercially available home theater projectors capable of displaying the full three-dimensional DCI-P3 color space. This provides a truly professional level of color accuracy, with a color gamut that is 50% wider than typical one-chip Rec. 709 projectors. Finally, the Home Cinema 5050 is equipped with Epson's precision lens technology. This proprietary 15-element precision glass structure provides outstanding image clarity and edge-to-edge focus uniformity, ensuring that every detail is sharp and clear. All of these projectors offer the latest technology, excellent image quality, and outstanding brightness and color accuracy. They are capable of producing incredible 4K HDR visuals, making your movie and gaming experience truly immersive. With their advanced processing, they are designed to provide an exceptional 4K home theater experience. In conclusion, choosing the right projector for your home theater is essential, and with our top 3 picks, you can be sure you're getting the best value for your money. We hope this information was helpful in finding the perfect projector for your home theater. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you for watching.